Story time. Hi kids, how are you? Do you know what is it? Yes, it is a cake. You like cake? It's yummy in your tummy, right? Do you know who makes a cake? Yes, you're right. A baker makes a cake. Very good. And today we are going to learn how the baker makes a cake. Are you ready? Let's learn batter cake. Shall we start? Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with the B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Yes, here. Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with the B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Batter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with the B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Yes, we put it in the oven and turn it and we make a cake. Now you know how a baker makes a cake. Keep singing and have fun. Subscribe for more videos.